Hi, I'm Andrew Kennedy with Century 21 In-Studio Realty, and welcome to 910 Hoover Court in Port Elgin, Ontario. This place is perfect for the holidays. Home alone? Not anymore. With a kitchen like this, you'll be entertaining for years to come. Chestnuts by the fire never tasted better than in your very own great room. Never worry about being full ever again. This beautiful house and property are on town water and sewer. Merry Christmas. For more information or to book your showing today, give me a call, Andrew Kennedy, Century 21 In-Studio Realty.